Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Goodnotes running slowly or lagging in 2026. Is Goodnotes running slowly or lagging? This can affect your productivity, but don't worry, here's exactly how to fix it by following these few simple steps. Now imagine you're trying to work on your Goodnotes, trying to edit your notebook, and the Goodnotes keep lagging like this, keeps lagging. So what you're gonna do is follow these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to close the background apps to free up memory. You're going to open the recent app tab just like this and close all the apps that aren't necessary for you or you're not using. Then you're going to go back and see if it works smoothly again. If it doesn't, you're going to try to restart your device. You're going to hold the power button until you see the restart option. Once you see the restart option, you're going to make sure to click on it. Then you're going to restart your device and then you're going to make sure to relaunch the app again and see if it's still lagging with the edits. Now, if it's still lagging, you're gonna check for the apps update. You can do that by going to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and there you're gonna look for the Goodnotes application by typing in Goodnotes in the search bar. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to check if an update is available, and if it is, you're gonna click on the update button and wait for the update to be completed, then restart again. You can also reduce the size of the large notebooks also by reducing the page size and the resolution, and also clear unused files and free up storage just like this, and avoid crowded notebooks. Keep your device optimized and restart it regularly. Now, lag issues are usually performance related, so follow these steps and enjoy smooth note taking in no time. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.